Hi, this is Mike with Airstream Adventures. Today we're going to take a look at the city water inlet connection. This connection is used when we're camping at our campsites that provide utility water, pressurized water to our trailer. Not to be confused with our off-grid boondocking freshwater tank connection. City water inlet connection requires a garden hose and a pressurized spigot to go ahead and pressurize the water inside the trailer. It provides the water and pressure for our faucets, our shower, and our commode. Again, not to be confused or used with our freshwater tank connection that's used only for boondocking and off-grid camping. City water connection also not to be confused with our black water flush inlet or port. The larger bezel and the labeling up here indicates that we connect our pressurized city water at this point here. Thank you for watching our video. For more information, please visit us at airstreamadventures.com.